Good morning everyone. I am Dimpi Singh, Assistant Professor of Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Health Informatics. Today I am going to discuss about introduction of bioinformatics. So what is bioinformatics? I will discuss in next slide. What is bioinformatics? As we all know that bioinformatics is a combination of biology and informatics technology which is used to solve out the biological problems. So there are various type of biological problems related to biological sequences as well as biological structures also. So it is the field of medical science and it combines biology, chemistry, computer science, mathematics and statistics as the picture represent here. So this picture represent the combination of various type of fields like biology, medicines, math and computer science. So here biology is included because the clinical data which we have get to analyze with the help of bioinformatics tools is DNA, RNA and protein. Math is used to set the algorithm to develop the tools and softwares. So there are different and there are various type of definitions about bioinformatics like bioinformatics derives knowledge from computer analysis of biological data. Here biological data represent DNA, RNA and protein sequences as well as structures. These can consist of the information stored in genetic code but also experimental results from various sources, patient statistics and scientific literatures. Research in bioinformatics include methods development for storage and retrieval and analysis of the data. When we talk about bioinformatics, so it works on biological data. So first we have to store biological data and then we have to analyze and visualize the result of the biological data. Bioinformatics is a rapidly developing branch of biology and is highly interdisciplinary using techniques and concepts from informatics, statistics, mathematics, chemistry and biochemistry. It has many practical applications in different areas of biology and medicines. So what we do in bioinformatics? The question is what we do in bioinformatics? What do informatics part of bioinformatics? So here the information technology refers the data storage and data analysis and data visualization by different type of tools and databases. So there are different type of databases, biological databases like Genome, protein, information repositories and DDBJ. Different type of databases where we can access the biological data to further analysis. So analyze and interpret the various type of biological data like genomic sequences. Genomic sequences means DNA, transcriptomic sequences, RNA and proteomic sequences, protein structures and RNA structures as we can see this slide. So this is the primary sequence and this is the 3D structure of that primary sequences which we get from the bioinformatics tools databases. Goal of bioinformatics. So basically goal of bioinformatics is development and implementations of computer programs that enable efficient access to management and use of various type of information which is used to further analysis. Development of new algorithm and statistical measures and assess relationship among members of large sets. So goals of bioinformatics to uncover the wealth of biological information hidden in the mass of sequence structure, literature and biological data. It is being used now and is the foreseeable future in the areas of molecular medicines. It has environmental benefits in identifying waste and cleanup bacteria, and in agriculture it can be used to produce high yield, low maintenance crop. So basically three major branches of bioinformatics like genomics. Genomics, as we all know that genomics is the study of the whole genome of an organism, and transcriptomics is the study of the RNA, and proteomics is the study of protein sequences as well as protein structures. So DNA makes RNA and RNA makes proteins. And proteins, as we all know that protein is responsible for all the functional activities of the bodies. Field of bioinformatics, molecular medicines, gene therapy, drug development, microbial genome applications, crop improvements, forensic analysis of microbes, biotechnology, evolutionary studies, and bioweapon creation. These fields are, and we can say that these are the application of bioinformatics, where the bioinformatics is applied for the benefits. So, applications of bioinformatics in basic science. What is the application of bioinformatics? As we can say that bioinformatics tools solve the problem of biological data. But which type of problems? So, with the help of biological tools and databases, we can predict new gene, new DNA, and new proteins, as well as new diseases and mutations in the sequences, SNPs, microsatellites. Different type of analysis we can done with genome sequences, protein sequences, with the help of bioinformatics tools, from where we can get the data. From biological databases we can get the data to analyze. So in molecular medicines, the human genome will have profound effect on the field biomedical research and clinical medicines. Every disease has a genetic component, as we all know, because we belong to medical. And the human genome, what is human genome project? It is a very big project. Human genome project takes a long time to complete. It is started from 1990 and completed at 2003. So if we talk about human genome project facts, so there are 3 billion base pairs in a human gene and 25,000 to 30,000 genes, functional genes. This may be inherited or a result of the bodies responsible to an environmental stage which cause alteration in the genome. The completion of the human genome means that we can search for the genes directly associated with different type of diseases, different type of mutations and variations. This new knowledge of the molecular mechanism of diseases will enable better treatments, cures and even preventive tests to be developed. Personalized medicines. With the help of bioinformatics databases and tools, algorithm, now we are moving on personalized medicines. In clinical medicines will become more personalized with the development of the field of pharmacogenomics, pharma plus genomics. If we have a genome, a particular organism, then we have a genetic makeup of that particular organism. This is the study of how an individual genetic inheritance affect the body's response to drug. At present, some drugs fail to make it to the market because a small percentage of the clinical patient population show adverse effect to drug due to sequence variant in their DNA. So, if we talk about conventional method which we are using, that population based medicine. It means the medicine based on populations, but with the help of bioinformatics, it will be a personalized medicine. It means that it is a person based. As a result, potential life-saving drugs never make it to the marketplace. Today, doctors have to use trial and error to find the best drug to treat a particular patient, as those with the same clinical symptoms can show a wide range of response to the same treatment. Drug development, it is the main application of a bioinformatics, that is CAD, computational aided drug designing. It means the drug is designed by computational methods. In silico drug designing, it means the drug is developed in computers. So at present, all drugs on market target only about 500 proteins. With an improved understanding of disease mechanism and using computational tools to identify and validate new drug targets, more specific medicines that act on the cause, not merely the symptoms of the disease, can be developed. These highly specific drugs promises to have fewer side effects than many of today's medicines. Gene therapy. In the not too distant future, the potential for using genes themselves to treat disease may become a reality. Because we have gene sequence structures from the biological databases, from the biological tools, we can analyze, we can alter the gene accordingly. Gene therapy is the approach used to treat, cure or even prevent diseases by changing the expression of a person's genes. Currently, this field is in infantile stage with clinical trials for many different type of cancer and other diseases ongoing. So I think that you all got my slides informations, what is bioinformatics and why it is needed, and what is the future of bioinformatics, what are the applications of bioinformatics. Thank you.